Welcome to our channel. Draw and color a sketch of a white cloud and the sun. Take out your black marker. Start with a small cloud. Make a cute face, eyes, mouth, blush, and then a big sun. Paint a cute expression, eyes, laughing mouth, and then the blush. Paint on the sun's rays. Now the simple graphic is complete. Let's do the roughing. We're done. Let's get some color. Blue, pink, bright yellow, pink, red, yellow, orange, rose, pink, light green, light purple, red, yellow, orange, rose, pink, light green, purple, red, yellow. Our work is done. It's very beautiful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.